Let's get straight to it. 2015 Chrysler 200. This is the V6 3.7 liter engine. If you're looking for your water pump on this vehicle, once you're on the passenger side and you get this plastic piece off right here, then you can see right here is actually your water pump pulley. So once you get the belt off, you'll be able to see your bolts better. So there's two bolts for it right there, side by side. And then there's another bolt down here, another one up there, and of course there's going to be some up top. So this is just to show you where the location of your water pump is. It's not that hard. Like I said, once you get the belt off, you'll be able to see your bolts better, and then you'll be able to get all those bolts off and hopefully pull that water pump down. So you're gonna have to drain this coolant out from right here. Just take this off and catch the coolant down in the container, and then you'll be able to remove this line and this line. And of course the belt, there's the tensioner for it there. Put a 1/2-inch drive in there, turn that counterclockwise, and you'll be able to pull that belt right off of that water pump pulley and get to work. You're also going to need to remove this idler pulley right here, because this bolt is also one of the main bolts holding this water pump in.